So guys, how to add glowing text or neon effect in HTML? It's really simple. On the left side we have our basic code and on the right side we have our output. As you can see, we have our simple text here without any glow and have black background with this code. We assigned a class name to our text. Then inside the style we call for our class .glowText, this one. Then we have the font style, font family, font size and the font color. Now to add glow effect, we need to add text dash shadow clone enter. First parameter horizontal offset for text shadow, second one for vertical, third parameter blur radius 10 pixel, then the color of the glow, suppose pink, comma, then go to second line, copy the upper line, paste it for 7 times. For the last one, semicolon. Now we need to change the blur radius for each of them. The first one 10, second one 20, third 30, fourth 40, then 70, then 80, 100 and 150. Now save the file and reload. See, we have our pink glow. We can also combine multiple colors, like let's change this to yellow. Save and reload. See, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.